Alright y'all, this is the finished look. This is how everything came out. I am going to do a 360 so y'all can see it from a different angle. Alright guys, so jumping right into it, I already washed my hair and did my hot oil treatment. If you guys are interested in that, I do have a video posted, so go check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and start showing y'all all the products I'll be using for this hairstyle. I have a lid and then I also have some rubber bands, so I'm gonna open this pack, put the rubber bands on here. After I put the rubber bands on here, I am going to get some oil and then put it right on top. This is the oil that I'll be using to put on top of my rubber bands. I did get this from Amazon if anybody is interested. I'll also be using this comb. I also have a pack of bobby pins. This is the retwist gel that I'll be using in my hair. This is the last product that I'll be using just to detangle some of my roots. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and get into doing my retwist. So I'm gonna be retwisting and styling as I go, and let's get started. To mention that I'll also be using some clips and some scrunchies just to keep my hair out of the way as I go along.
75 years later.
Y'all, I done fell asleep last night. I was so tired after I came from under the dryer. I was gonna record the rest of the video, but I was like, I can't do it. So I am back today, and I'm gonna show y'all how my hair came out. I did sleep on it last night, so I don't know how it's gonna look. Honestly, I thought it was going to be worse than this. I thought some pieces were going to be like all over the place. The only thing I have to do now is add the bobby pins to the side of my hair, do my edges, and we're going to get right into that. I'm going to be using 2 bobby pins to put on the side of my hair. Alright, so now that I added my bobby pins on the side, I am going to use my retwist gel and touch up my edges just a little bit. Ain't gonna do too much. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. This is how everything came out. I am going to do a 360 so y'all can see it from a different angle. So I'm gonna do a quick length check on my hair just to double check where it stops at. But if y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.